Hey, Dana here. Welcome to the vlog. Well, I just came in today for my flu shot, my booster, and I got a flu shot today. So we'll see how all that works out. I'll let you know how my whether I want. Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog, and this is Transporter with DoorDash. It's been a while since I put up a video because I haven't been doing any door dashing. My last DoorDash was what was it, August? Last one was Thursday, August 26th, 2021. It is now November 16th, 2021. They scheduled back in July of 4 towns right around where I live, and they were opening on November 16th, which is today, and they did. So I did, I managed to get 2 deliveries, and they're pushing a $5 bonus for each delivery, which was great. So with the 2 deliveries, there was still about $2.50 start, and then whatever they gave you for a tip. So I only did 4 hours. I did 11:30 to 3:30. So that's what you're gonna get when you get a new opening in a new area. Not a lot of advertising. These were both McDonald's runs too. So I live in Wayland, and the surrounding opening areas that opened up were Dansville, Bath, Hornell, and Geneseo. Those are all within. Dansville's 9 miles from me. That was nothing. So total mileage on today's drive was 27 miles. So 18 miles back and forth. So I actually made money from on my gas in this case. The other 3 are like 21 miles away. So nothing like Canandaigua, where it's 35 miles one way, which is fantastic. So I'm trying to get a little more into it as far as how far out I can be before it'll pick up. It appeared, I'm not sure exactly where the middle of the pin is for these locations yet, but it's great. I don't have to go that far, and I'm home within 20 minutes. It's not 45 minutes getting home. So we'll see. I'm going to try another location tomorrow. The thing is, I just went on schedules. There's nothing scheduled for tomorrow on any of them on out. It was just today is the only schedule for it. So we'll see how this transpires. I'm sure in the next 6 months, word of mouth will get out and things will pick up a little bit. We're going through heading, of course, November. We're heading into the Christmas season and snow. So there's going to be a lot of people who don't want to get out. And if you're already out, then you'll get the business. So hopefully we'll see an increase in business in the area. Even though I haven't done it since what did I say, August, September? Since Thursday, August 26th. Yeah, almost 4 months. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you'll catch me on the next Transporter with DoorDash.